When you search for crawl space dehumidifiers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Bedred 95-ounce dehumidifier. The Bedred 95-ounce dehumidifier caught my eye right away with its sleek black design and affordable price of $76.21. If you want a simple, quiet solution to reduce humidity in spaces up to 1,000 square feet, this is worth a serious look. This dehumidifier uses thermoelectric cooling, which means it effectively pulls moisture from the air, creating a more comfortable environment. It's got a 95 fluid ounce tank, and the automatic shutoff feature means you can set it and forget it, knowing it'll turn off when full. The 7-color ambient light is a fun touch too, allowing you to set the mood while it works. Honestly, I was surprised by how quiet it is, making it perfect for bedrooms or living rooms. Now, some folks mentioned that the tank fills up quickly if you're in a really humid area. Here's the thing though, for
product number 2, Keep Glad 98-ounce dehumidifier. Next up is the Keep Glad 98-ounce dehumidifier, priced similarly at $76.23. What I found interesting is its dual semiconductor design, which promises to remove up to 40 ounces of moisture daily. If you want a powerful yet quiet option for your home, this is a strong contender. This model can handle humidity levels up to 1,000 square feet and features a real-time humidity display. It can lower humidity from 80% to a comfortable 40%. With a washable filter and a continuous drain option, you won't need to worry about emptying the tank constantly. Plus, it runs quietly at just 28 decibels, which is basically a whisper, making it perfect for nighttime use. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the humidity sensor can be a bit sensitive, leading to overcycling. Here's the thing though, if you adjust the settings just right, you'll find a sweet spot that works, and the energy-saving feature helps cut down on your bills. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich dehumidifier that operates quietly. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, no-frills model. Overall, it offers great value for the performance it provides. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger spaces.
Product number 3, Waycar Energy Star Dehumidifier. Coming in strong at the next spot is the Waycar Energy Star Dehumidifier, designed for spaces up to 2,000 square feet. While the price isn't listed, it's a great investment for those serious about tackling humidity. If you need serious moisture control without breaking the bank, product number 4, Waycar 80-pint dehumidifier. Next is another powerhouse from Waycar, their 80-pint dehumidifier, designed for up to 5,000 square feet. This is a serious option for anyone dealing with heavy moisture issues, and while the price isn't listed, it's definitely worth considering if you need high capacity. This model can remove a whopping 80 pints of moisture daily, boasting impressive energy efficiency with its Energy Star certification. The wide-angle swing feature is great for directing airflow where it's most needed, and it operates quietly at just 42 decibels. You'll appreciate the auto defrost and memory restart features too, which keep it running smoothly. Some reviews did mention that the unit can be bulky and may take up more space than expected. Here's the thing, if you have the room and need the capacity, it's a trade-off worth making for the efficiency. This is perfect for you if you have large areas or basements that need serious dehumidifying. Skip this one if space is a premium in your home. Given its capacity and efficiency, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more compact yet effective, let's talk about our final pick. Product number 5, AEOCKY 3,500 square foot dehumidifier. Capable of handling spaces up to 3,500 square feet. This model stands out with its intelligent humidistat and quiet operation, perfect for those who want efficiency without the noise. It's designed to automatically adjust based on your home's humidity levels, which means it works hard to keep your environment comfortable without constant manual adjustments. The continuous drainage option and quiet operation make it suitable for almost any space, including bedrooms and living areas.
However, some users pointed out that the manual can be a bit tricky to follow. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance is solid and it's easy to set up. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly, efficient dehumidifier for medium to large spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for a small area. For the performance it offers, it's a great value for your money.
So, to wrap it up, we've looked at a range of dehumidifiers, from the stylish bed red to the powerful Waycar models. Each one has its strengths, whether it's compact size or high capacity. The best choice really depends on your space and specific needs. Whatever you choose, getting rid of that humidity is going to make your home a lot more comfortable.